Eric LePage. I consider myself to be pretty responsive to emails from my students as a part-time instructor at Bridgewater State University. But I'm not up at 2 a.m. when many of them are doing their coursework and questions arise. So I thought, what if I could create my own AI course chatbot for them to use when I'm not available? And what if I could put this together in very little time and without any computer programming knowledge? So with Google's Notebook LM tool, you can create your own AI chatbot that learns from course resources like your syllabus, your assignment details, your rubrics, and your course content. And when your students pose questions to the AI chatbot, Notebook LM will respond using only the details from the content you provided it with, unlike other generative AI models that are built upon incredibly large data sets. Here's how to get started. Open your web browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Log in with your Bridgewater State University email address and password. You do not need a Google account. This first page is where you'll see all of the notebooks you've created. You can create up to 100 notebooks, or chatbots if you prefer, on any topic. Click the Create New button to create a new notebook. You can begin to add up to 50 sources of content for this one notebook. This includes PDFs, Google Docs, publicly available websites that aren't behind paywalls like the New York Times, YouTube videos, and you can also simply copy and paste in text. Each notebook can hold up to 50 sources. You can create a single notebook or chatbot for an entire course or a single assignment. After you share some resources, here's an example of what your notebook could look like. You'll see resources like a PDF of my assignment instructions, YouTube videos I've created that cover presentation design and delivery best practices, and my presentation grading rubric. I can now ask a simple question like, when does this presentation take place? And the chatbot will respond with the correct information. Under Deep Dive Conversation, you can click the Generate button to have Notebook LM create a podcast radio show in which two hosts review the content you've provided. You can also have Notebook LM create a study guide for students, an FAQ, and more. Once you've tested your notebook chatbot and you're happy with the results, you can now share it with your students. This step varies in time depending on how many students you have. It took me about 5 minutes to add almost 20 students. Click the Share button up top and begin typing in the usernames or first and last names for each student in your course roster. Once you're finished, uncheck the Notified People box if you prefer not to send your students notifications about their new access to your notebook. Finally, click the Copy Link button to create a web link that you can post in your Blackboard course site or course syllabus for your students to access. That's it. If you decide to use Google Notebook LM this semester, please let us know how it worked for you and your students. Email ttc@bridgew.edu. Thank you.